Don't give up. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack who dreamed of becoming a successful businessman. He was passionate about his goal and worked hard every day to achieve it. However, he faced many obstacles and setbacks along the way, which made him feel discouraged and hopeless. One day, Jack met an old man who was sitting on a bench in the park. The old man noticed Jack's gloomy face and asked him what was wrong. Jack told him about his dream of becoming a successful businessman and how he was struggling to achieve it. The old man smiled and said, "I have a story to tell you. Once there was a farmer who had a donkey. One day, the donkey fell into a deep well. The farmer tried everything to get the donkey out, but nothing worked. Finally, he decided to bury the donkey alive in the well. So, he started shoveling dirt into the well. The donkey was terrified and cried out loudly. But the farmer kept shoveling the dirt. After a while, the farmer noticed that the donkey was not crying anymore. He looked down into the well and was surprised to see that every time he threw a shovel of dirt onto the donkey would shake it off and step on it. The donkey continued doing this until the dirt piled up so high that he was able to step out of the well. The old man looked at Jack and said, "Just like the donkey, you need to shake off your setbacks and obstacles and use them as stepping stones to reach your goal. Don't let them bury you alive. Keep pushing forward, and one day, you will achieve your dream." Jack was inspired by the old man's story and realized that he should not give up on his dream. He started working even harder and using his setbacks as a learning experience. Eventually, he became a successful businessman and lived a fulfilling life. The moral of the story is that no matter how many setbacks and obstacles we face, we should never give up on our dreams. We should use our failures as stepping stones to success and keep moving forward. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who owned a beautiful horse. One day, the horse ran away, leaving the farmer with nothing. The farmer's neighbors came to offer their condolences and said, "We're so sorry about your horse. This is such bad luck." The farmer replied, "Maybe so, maybe not. We'll see." The next day, the horse returned with a group of wild horses. The neighbors came to congratulate the farmer and said, "What good luck you have. You've gone from having nothing to having many horses." The farmer replied, "Maybe so, maybe not. We'll see." A few days later, the farmer's son was trying to tame one of the wild horses, but he fell off and broke his leg. The neighbors came to offer their condolences and said, "We're so sorry about your son. This is such bad luck." The farmer replied, "Maybe so, maybe not. We'll see." The following week, the army came to the village, conscripting all the able-bodied young men for the war. The farmer's son was exempted from serving because of his broken leg. The neighbors came to congratulate the farmer and said, "What good luck you have. Your son doesn't have to go to war." The farmer replied, "Maybe so, maybe not. We'll see." The moral of the story is that life is unpredictable, and we never know what will happen next. What may seem like good luck can turn out to be bad luck, and vice versa. So, it's essential to stay positive, keep an open mind, and be ready to adapt to whatever comes our way.